class and the next new session. Today we are discussing how to solve exact differential equation. Okay, let us start. First we are discussing the definition of exact differential equation. What is exact differential equation? A differential equation m of xy plus n of xy into y dash equal to 0 is exact if and only if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. That is, a differential equation m of xy plus n of xy into y dash is equal to 0 can be written as m dx, okay, m dx plus n dy equal to 0, okay, is exact if and only if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Next we are discussing solution of an exact differential equation. Solution of an exact differential equation. Okay, first we consider the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, in this equation we integrate m. Okay, first we integrate m with respect to x regarding y as constant. Okay, next we integrate n which do not involve x with respect to y. The required solution is sum of these two expressions equal to a constant. Clear? Once more, first we integrate m with respect to x regarding y as constant. Next we integrate with respect to y those terms in n which do not involve x. Okay? Then the sum of these two expressions equal to a constant is the required solution. Question is, show that the equation 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square into dx plus 1 plus 4xy plus 2x square into dy equal to 0 is exact and solve it. Okay, here the given equation is of the form m dx plus n dy. M dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, first we have to show that this equation is exact. Next we have to solve it. Given that m is equal to 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square and n is equal to 1 plus 4xy plus 2x square. First we have to show that this equation is exact. If it is exact, then it satisfies dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay. First we find dou m by dou y. First we differentiate partially with respect to y regarding x as constant. Okay. Then derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. Plus here 4xy. Consider 4x as constant and differentiate y. We get 4x. Okay. Plus derivative of 2y square is 2 into derivative of y square is 2y. Okay. That is equal to, we can write 4x plus 4y. Now we get dou m by dou y is equal to 4x plus 4y. Next we differentiate n with respect to x. That is dou n by dou x. Okay. Then we differentiate n with respect to x regarding y as constant. Here derivative of 1 is 0 plus here derivative of 4xy. Here 4y is constant. Derivative of x is 1. That is, we get 4y plus derivative of 2x square. 2 into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay. Then we get 4y plus 4x. That is 4x plus 4y. Okay. Now we get dou n by dou x is equal to 4x plus 4y and dou m by dou y is equal to 4x plus 4y. That means here dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Next we have to find the solution of this differential equation. First we integrate m. Okay, first we integrate m with respect to x regarding y as constant. Okay, then integral with respect to x m dx equal to, we can write integral 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square into dx. In this integral, we consider y as constant. Okay, first we integrate. Integral of 1 dx, we get x. Okay, plus here 4xy, we can consider 4y as constant. Okay, 4y into integral of x is x square by 2. Okay, plus next term is 2y square. Integral of 2y square dx. Okay, that is here 2y square is constant, that we get integral of 1 dx. That is integral of 1 dx is x. Now we get 2y square into x. That is equal to, we can write x plus, here 2 get cancelled. We get 2y x square, that is 2x square y plus 2y square x. Okay, this is the integral. Get x plus 2x square y plus 2y square x plus k1. Here we integrate n with respect to y, which does not involve x. The only element which does not involve x is 1 here. Okay, so integrate 1 with respect to y. Therefore, we integrate 1 dy. That is equal to, we get y plus k2, another constant k2. Now we get integral m dx is equal to x plus 2x square y plus 2xy square plus k1. Putting it as equation number 1. Next we integrate integral n dx, we get y plus k2. Putting it as equation number 2. We know that the solution is the sum of the two expressions equal to a constant. Now the required solution. Now the required solution is expression 1 plus 2 equal to a constant. Okay. Here the expression 1 is x plus 2x square y plus 2xy square plus k1 plus here expression 2 is y plus k2 equal to a constant k. Okay. Now we get x plus 2x square y plus 2xy square plus y plus k1 plus k2 equal to k. Okay. Now we can write it as x plus 2x square y plus 2xy square plus y equal to k minus k1 minus k2. It can be represented another constant as c. Okay. Now we get x plus 2x square y plus 2xy square plus y equal to c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Clear? Problem is, show that the differential equation 2xy plus y minus tan y plus x square minus x into tan square y plus 6 square y plus 2 into y dash equal to 0 is exact and solve it. The given equation is of the form m of xy plus n of xy into y dash is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 2xy plus y minus tan y and n is equal to x square minus x into tan square y plus sec square y plus 2. First we have to show that the given differential equation is exact differential equation. For that we have to check dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, if it satisfies this condition, then we say that the given differential equation is exact. Here m is equal to 2xy plus y minus tan y. Then dou m by dou y is equal to, we can write dou m by dou y is equal to, here the first term is 2xy. Okay, 2x can be taken as constant and derivative of y is 1. Then we get 2x into 1, that is 2x. Then derivative of y is 1. Okay, minus derivative of tan y is 6 square y. Okay, now we get dou m by dou y is equal to 2x plus 1 minus 6 square y. Next we want to calculate dou n by dou x. Okay, here n is equal to x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y plus 2. Here derivative of x square is 2x. Next minus. Here tan square y can be taken as a constant. Then derivative of x is 1. We get tan square y. Okay. Sec square y is a constant. Derivative of this is 0 and also the derivative of 2 is 0. Now we get 2x minus tan square y. We can write it as 2x minus of. Now we can write tan square y as sec square y minus 1. Okay. That can be written as 2x minus sec square y, negative of negative plus 1. That is, we get 2x plus 1 minus sec square y. Okay. Now we get dou n by dou x is equal to 2x plus 1 minus sec square y. Here dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Exact differential equation. Next, we have to find the solution of this differential equation. First, we integrate m with respect to x regarding y as constant. Then we get integral m dx is equal to integral 2xy plus y minus tan y into dx. Okay, that is equal to, we get integral of 2xy dx. Here we consider y as constant. Then we integrate integral 2xy. Here 2y is constant. Integral of x is x square by 2. That is 2y into x square divided by 2 plus. Then integral of y dx. Y is constant. Integral of dx is x. Okay. Next is minus tan y dx. Here minus tan y is a constant. Integral of dx is x. Okay. Into x. Now we get 2 get cancelled. We get x square y plus xy minus x into tan y plus a constant k1. Okay. Now we get integral m dx is equal to x square y plus xy minus x tan y plus k1. Okay. Next we have to calculate integral n. In n that does not involve xr. Here the elements are sec square y plus 2. We integrate sec square y plus 2 into dy. Okay, with respect to y regarding x as constant. Here integral of sec square y is tan y. Okay, tan y plus integral of 2 dy is 2y plus another constant k2. K2, putting it as equation number 2. Now the solution of the given differential equation is the sum of the two expression equal to C. That is equation 1 plus equation 2 equal to a constant. Okay. Here equation 1 x square y plus yx minus x tan y plus k1 plus equation 2 is tan y plus 2y plus k2 equal to a constant. We can say it as k. Okay. Next we write x square y plus yx minus x tan y plus tan y. Okay. Plus 2y plus k1 plus k2 equal to k. Next we write x square y plus yx minus x tan y plus tan y plus 2y equal to k minus k1 minus k2. Putting it as c, another constant c. Okay, now we get x square y plus yx minus x tan y plus tan y plus 2y equal to c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Clear?